Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 20th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, and I'm going to solve three puzzles in this additional half of the puzzle page. It's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4437. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Oh. Then. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well, I think I'm stuck. Well, here in this column we have 3 ones. I cannot place number 4 here. If I place number 4 here, then those 2 boxes should be an O. So we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. And then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. How about we have double O here. Yeah. Come on, where's the opening? Where is the opening? Opening. Double one. This column, the last column, and that column. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. Empty box. We need to switch these 2 boxes. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. A double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Overlooked. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1. Come on. 1, Okay. Almost the same. How about this one? this row and that row. One empty box. Empty box. One. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Yeah, we have double O, here one, there one. Compare again, not again. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Well, this row and the last row. One, 1, empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Great binary, a lot of comparing, but I've solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.